Hey, I'm Amy Gillespie, one of the kindergarten teachers, and I'm going to show you a skill that students have been working on in class. And they have been learning about number bonds and how to use it to solve addition and subtraction. So a number bond is, it shows you a whole and two parts. Now these two parts, they follow the path to come together to make a whole. So if we had the addition sentence, 2 plus 3 equals, I'm going to use the number bond to help with this to show how you can use it. I'm going to put 2 in one part, 3 in the other part. I'm going to use objects. So if I have 2 cubes and 3 cubes, 2 cubes will follow the path as well as 3 cubes, and they come together to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 is your whole. So 2 plus 3 equals 5. You can also flip the two parts and know that 3 plus 2 equals 5. You can use objects to help you with this, or students also know how to use their fingers so they can show 2 parts and 3 parts. And if I put them together, I know I have 5. Now we're going to use the same number bond with the 2 parts in the whole to solve the subtraction sentence. So our problem is going to be 5 minus, subtract, take away 3. Now they can use their number bond to show this. Okay, so they can see 5 and they can see minus 3, so they know the change is going to be with the 3. And they have also learned to kind of cross out the 3. You can also draw out 5, draw out the whole, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Subtraction, so we're going to cross out 3. 1, 2, 3. And what is left? 2. So 5 is your whole. 3 was one of the parts and 2 is the other part. So 5 minus 3 equals 2. You can use number bonds at home to help them solve addition and subtraction problems. Within 10, I wouldn't go past 10. And you can form a number bond in different ways, as long as you have a whole and 2 parts, so the parts can follow the path. A number bond can look like this. It can go to the side. It can look this way, or it can look that way, as long as you have a whole and 2 parts. Kindergartners are also need to try to learn to solve addition and subtraction facts within 5 before going to 1st grade. If you have any questions, please reach out to your child's teacher. Thank you.